Third choice, Arranque. All set now, ready to race. Race number 3. Second set of our winner take all. And the race is on. Pasensyo sa Racing Ups Arranque. Moving up by the rails, My Queen Classical Bid. Racing Ups 9 Dragon Friends for Never. Jai Ho is racing in 8th position. My Queen by a length and a half, followed by Arranque. Pasensyo sa Classical Bid. In between runners 9 Dragon. And inside the last 800, My Queen Classical Bid 9 Dragon. Arranque of father outside is Pasensyo sa. And moving up now is Jai Ho. And rounding the far turn, Classical Bid on the outside, Pasensyo sa. Arranque of father outside. It's now Arranque by the right, Classical Bid, Pasensyo sa 9 Dragon. On the father outside, Queen of Class. And moving up is Pere Maki. As they race the final corner, Classical Bid on the outside is Arranque. Is Pere Maki. Jai Ho moving up by the rail. Classical Bid on the outside is Arranque. Jai Ho is running by the rail. Classical Bid. Jai Ho moves up to take the lead. It's now Jai Ho. And nearing the finish line, RC Baldonido on Jai Ho. Classical Bid, 9 Dragon. Close, Pere Maki. Arranque.